Today I'm going to be sharing my full self-care maintenance routine with you all, including my day one rituals and products that I use on a faithful basis. It's going to be simple yet elevated, and I hope it inspires you to perfect your own routine. Let's get started. I'm going to start off with a hot oil treatment. You can use any oils, but I'm using the Nourished growth oil. I've been loyal to this routine and this product for years because it's so beneficial to my hair and scalp. I honestly find so much inspiration in self-care routine, and I just love taking time for myself. And I also have my scalp brush here, which is going to help to get my blood flowing in my scalp and really get to the roots and stimulate hair growth within my hair. This has helped me over the years. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put a shower cap on my head, and I'm going to leave this for about 45 minutes. And guys, oh my gosh, I normally use a plastic bag, and you guys see why now. My hair never fits into these shower caps. They're absolutely horrible, but we're just going to run with it for today. So while I wait on my oil treatment, I'm going to do some nail care. I'm just going to apply some white polish to my toes and touch them up a bit with a little bit of Shape Up. I honestly want to show you guys that self-care doesn't have to be a super expensive job that you have to do. It can be very simple and you can still look amazing and feel amazing. So onto my actual nails, I'm putting some coconut oil on my cuticles for hydration on my nails to keep them healthy and looking great, and also for them to grow strong. And this also keeps the nail beds looking really good so that you feel confident wearing your natural nails. Several years ago, my nail beds used to be so weak and just from not giving them enough love, and I started to incorporate this back into my routine in 2016, and I've never looked back. I think you all will like this for your nail routine for sure. All right, so in the shower, I'm going to be washing my hair today with the Aluram shampoo. This is a moisturizing shampoo that I'm going to be using on my hair today. And guys, the shampoo feels so amazing on my hair. It's become one of my favorite shampoos to use. Be using my all-time favorite hair mask. This is the one that you all love too. I always have to mention that this is also the one that Vogue showed love to as well. And this mask has such a good quality formula, and it also detangles my hair like crazy. So I'm going to be leaving that in while I do a quick shower routine, but it doesn't take much for this deep conditioner. It's super penetrating, so you can actually leave this in for like 10 minutes and it'll still penetrate your hair. It'll still work really good as a detangling method on the hair. So it hydrates your hair to the max, and oh my gosh, just like the best deep conditioner ever, to be honest. All right, so I'm going to be using black soap that I found from TJ Maxx. Black soap is so good for your skin, and also it's known for its cleansing and moisturizing properties, and it's often used to treat various skin conditions. So I like to exfoliate with this beautiful brush here, and I like to use those wooden brushes. And I just washed out my deep conditioner. I did a quick shave with my Flamingo shaver that I get from Target. It's like my all-time favorite shaver. And yeah, that was my shower routine. Very quick and simple, and as you guys can see, my curls are super popping. I applied a clay mask to reset my skin. I like to do this every couple of weeks. Today I'm using the bentonite clay, which is going to keep my skin feeling very fresh. It's going to get all of the toxins out. And throughout this routine, you'll see a mix of affordable and luxury products. For me, luxury means quality and high potency and well thought out formulas versus just price tags, because I buy based on alignment with my values and not based on a price tag. So I actually picked this mask up from Kroger. This mask is everything. I was gonna blow dry my hair, but I decided mid-video that I wasn't gonna do that because I don't want to put too much heat on my hair. So my whole ideal of showing you guys my blowout is kind of scratched, but it's okay because we're gonna do a wash and go. I'm going to be styling my hair in a curly wash and go. You can either use Derma E thickening conditioner, which is my high recommend product, or you can use the Nourished Angelic Coco conditioner like you see me using here. As you guys see, I'm using the raking method to allow my curls to really pop. And I'm also going to apply an Angelic Coco Clear Course Jelly to my hair. I love this gel because it doesn't leave your hair feeling hard or dry. If you're enjoying this video, consider subscribing if you like. Follow me on Instagram, and if you have a question or just want to say hi and let me know that you're a part of the YouTube fam, feel free to send me a DM and I'll connect back with you. Alright, so I have my Dyson blow dryer. I don't normally do this, but I'm going to be going out very soon, and I wanted to get my curls dried 50% at least so that it can go a little bit faster. So I just gently touched on the roots and got a little bit at the ends. And I like to use my Dyson blow dryer because it does not damage your hair. It has like protectors within the technology that doesn't create damage on the hair. So I'm going to go ahead and do a quick dry 50%, like I said, on my hair. So I usually do this straight out of the shower, but for my face, I'm going to be using the glow oil and doing my gua sha routine. This is going to properly depuff my face so that I don't look bloated. And I also am going to use my WELEDA body butter. As you guys see, it's super empty because this is my day one product. I almost forgot, but I'll be also applying the Native Sun Body Lotion sunscreen for SPF protection. And I usually do this straight out of the shower as well. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and do this in this particular order for the video. But this is my favorite lip gloss from Pacifia, which keeps my lips feeling very smooth all day. And for outfit, I'm just going to do a classic outfit. It's pretty hot outside. I just threw on a black outfit, and this pretty much reflects my personal style. You guys already know I like to do it very simple and just have simplicity and make it look cute. And of course, I did not forget to spritz my favorite natural perfume to feel fresh and confident all day. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this simple maintenance routine. Hope that it inspired you all. Let me know if you're currently doing any of the things that I did in this video in your routine so that we can all inspire each other for our next self-care day. I will see you in my next one. Thumbs up for more. Bye.